Always feel like you're racing against time? Underprepared for your examinations? Don't know what you don't know? Well, if you're looking for a crash course that will save your grades, you might as well go for the best crafted ones. Oh, thank you! Our Content Crash Courses comprise of 8 1.5-hour lessons that will be held over 2 days in May. Can only focus in real life? Fret not. You can attend our on-site lessons at Coronation PLAZA. If you'd like to attend lessons from the comfort of your own home or at your own pace, feel free to attend the lesson via live stream through Zoom or access our recorded video lessons. We'll be covering the 8 major topics from both macro and microeconomics. For microeconomics, we'll be covering demand and supply, elasticities and deadweight laws, as well as firms and decisions, market failure, and government intervention and government failure. For macroeconomics, we'll be covering national income statistics as well as standard of living, and ADAS, macroeconomic aims, as well as macroeconomic policies. We'll also be covering trade and globalization, which will be replaced by Singapore economy in the event of common last topic due to COVID-19. By attending, you'll also receive hard copies of our student favourites, Express guidebooks that comprehensively cover all key econs topics as well. Practice makes perfect, so spend 2 days covering more essays and case studies than you've done over the past 1 year. With our essays and CSQ Bootcamps, you can gain exposure to a wide variety of questions that come up for exams, as well as the ability to craft high-scoring evaluations for your answers. Upon registering, crash course materials consisting of questions and detailed answers will be mailed out within a week. Also, everything's better with friends, right? So don't forget to grab 2 of your econs buddies when signing up for our crash courses. As a group of 3, you can enjoy the price of 2. So sign up today at these links. I'm sorry. So sign up now at these links. See you soon!
Same side or different? Or like the words?